Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to sign in to your Gmail account and change password. First click on browser. Go to gmail.com. Enter your email. If you have forgot your email, click on forget email and follow the instruction. After typing your email, click on next button. Enter your password. If you have forgot your password, click on forget password and follow the instruction. After typing your password, click on next button. Now your Gmail is successfully logged in. To change password, click on setting button shown on the right side of your screen. Click on settings. Click on account and imports. Click on change password. Enter your current password. Click on next button. Enter your new password. Confirm your new password. Confirm your new password. Click on change password. Now your password has been successfully changed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.